Alright, in this video, I would like to demonstrate how to book an after-school activity on SchoolsBuddy. First, you need to log into SchoolsBuddy. Now, one way to do this is from the KIS homepage. You can also use a direct link like sb.kis.ac.jp. Once you're at the login page, you'll need your parent email address and password. Once you've logged in, choose the type of activity you want to register. Available times and options will be listed for each child you have in the school. There is a general description at the top of the page. Depending on the event, you may find additional information helpful by hovering your mouse over the Info I logo next to the title. Select the event times or days you desire. There is a 20-minute hold in which you need to complete the registration. Click the first of two book buttons when you're ready. Depending on the event, there may be additional terms and conditions you need to be aware of. Check if you agree and click OK. I've included a mobile screenshot here, as the visual layout is slightly different. On the next page, you should see a summary. It is important that you review the details and confirm by clicking Book a second time. The final screen is a notice that your booking is complete and an email confirmation has been sent. It may take a few minutes, but check your email account to confirm. Also, the next time you log into SchoolsBuddy, you will see under My Diary a list of your upcoming bookings. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or problems, please let us know at the office. We're here to help. Thank you for watching.